So if it starts holding these lows, it may get going here. Otherwise, there it is. That's the drop that I was talking about, straight down, ladies and gentlemen. So now we have seen a high being established. The low is being established. Let's see where we go from here, ladies and gentlemen. MYSZ, my size, very similar. A little bit of buying in AKTX here. That's again, we'll see how the cannabis sector turns out early. If it starts churning on up, we're going to have to consider some swing plays as the sector is starting to finally come alive. Sierra Papa Echo X-Ray SPEX, seeing this starting to fly on my scanner. SPEX is a known low float name. They didn't really register too much on my pre-market trading because of the volume, but they are starting to find a little bit of volume here. Let's keep a close eye on them. So far, around 30 or 40,000 traded. Mike Yankee Oscar Sierra MYOS, a name on our watch list. Also starting to find a little bit of volume in a very tight range right now.